Today we are going to begin with chapter 18, data handling. Children, you must have noticed that teachers collect and keep information about attendance and marks scored by students. Doctors keep records of their patients. Traffic police collects and keep information about challans. These pieces of information and records in the form of numerical figures is called data. Let's consider an example. In a mathematics test, out of 20, the following marks are obtained by 30 students. Now, by observing this data, it is difficult to find out how many students obtained full marks or how many students obtained less than 15 marks or what marks are scored by maximum number of students. Now, this data is in its original form, so it is called raw data. So it needs to be organized to make it meaningful and to draw conclusions. To interpret this data easily, we organize it in tabular form. We make a table with 3 columns. In the first column, we arrange the given data. Here we have marks in ascending order from 12 to 20. In the second column, we put a vertical line for each observation, and such marks are called tally marks. So let's see how. Now first observation is 20. So in front of 20, we put a vertical line or bar. Then we have 18, 13, 15, 17, 19, 12, 17, 20, 12, 16, 17, 15, 18, 15, 13, 14, 12, 15, 20, 15. Now children, we pack the counts in the groups of fives. Now here we already have 4 counts. So fifth count is represented by a diagonal line across the previous 4 counts. Then we have 16, 18, 17, 15, 18, 14, 15, 12, 17. Now children, in the third column, we write the frequency. Here it is number of students. Frequency is the number of times an observation occurs. So this is called frequency distribution table. So for the third column, we add our tally marks. So we have here 4. It means 4 students scored 12 marks, 2 students scored 13 marks, again 2 students scored 14 marks. Then we have 7 students scored 15 marks, 3 students scored 16 marks, 4 students scored 17 marks, again 4 students scored 18 marks, 1 student scored 19, and 3 students scored 20 marks. So children, now the questions could be answered easily. So here 3 students scored full marks. And to find out how many students scored less than 15 marks, we have to add the number of students who scored 12, 13 and 14 marks. So here we have 8. So 8 students scored less than 15 marks. And the maximum number of students, that is 7 students, they scored 15 marks. So children, I hope you have understood how to make frequency distribution table. And here children, if you add the number of students, you will get 30 students. Now let's do first question of exercise 18.1. Following are the number of members in 25 families in a village. And we have to prepare a frequency table using tally marks, and we have to answer the given questions. So let's prepare a frequency distribution table using tally marks. So in the first column, we write the given data in ascending order. So here we have number of members in each family, and we arrange them in ascending order. We have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In the second column, we assign tally marks. So let's do. Now first observation is 7. So in front of 7, we put one bar or vertical line. 5, 7, 5, 3, 7, 7, 3, 3, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, again 6. Now we have here 4 counts. So fifth one we have to write diagonally. Then we have 3, 7, fifth count you have to put diagonally. 3, again fifth count you have to draw diagonally. 5, 7, 2, 5, 6. Now children, in the third column we write frequency or number of families. So we add tally marks. So here we have 1, 5, 4, 6, 6, 3. And if we add all these, we will get 25. Now children, let's answer the given questions. What is the most common family size? So children, we observe that 6 families have 6 members, and again 6 families have 7 members. So the most common family size is of having 6 members and 7 members. What is the smallest family size? Now family with 2 members is the smallest family size. Third is how many families are of the smallest size. So only one family has 2 members. So one family is of the smallest size. So children, I hope now you can draw frequency distribution table for any given data. And for worksheet questions, do exercise 18.1 question 2 to 6. Thank you.